Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a database citation to a project in your bibliography and to take a note. So the first thing we're going to do is find an article we want to use in a database. I've already got a tab up for ABC Clio, Ancient and Medieval History. I did a search for the Indus River Valley, which is my topic, and just upon initial scanning, this looks like it's going to be a good source for me. So usually with databases, I can find my citation information at the bottom. And you can see right down here, it's giving you an MLA citation. So I'm going to copy that because I want to get my sources in right away if I know it's going to be helpful. So I'm going to copy that. Go back into the project I've already created. I'm going to click Bibliography, and this is where you might get confused. We recommend that you go to all 59 options rather than the database, because we're actually going to go to Write, Paste Citation, and paste the citation in that's provided by the database. There it is. Easy peasy. Okay, now I've got my source in, so I can go back to my projects. I could have actually gone here and go to my notebook. So this is where I can begin to take notes now based on that source. So I would hit New Note, and let's say that I want to take a few notes about artifacts. So I'm going to title my note card. Now, this is where it's really important that you associate your note card with a source. What's cool is because I already put it in, that source is there. So I'm going to grab it, select it, and I can go back to the article. And I think I remembered seeing something about artifacts in here. Here's a paragraph on that. It's talking about square seals that have been discovered. I'm going to grab that. I can put my direct evidence text in. I'm really going to need to do some work to paraphrase that, because unless I'm directly quoting it, I need to be careful of plagiarism. So I can think about how I would put this in my own words, and it might be something like some seals were discovered in the 19th century that were puzzling. Whoops, gotta spell things right. Whoops. And I could add more detail about that. The comment section, I could say something like, use this fact when talking or writing about artifacts and primary sources from my Indus civilization. So it can be just little notes to myself. Then I can organize it. I can make any note that's about artifacts yellow. Save the note. As I take more notes, I can move them around and create groups. Eventually, I can pull them over to begin to create an outline.